Intro music playing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sparklage Media. Today I'm going to share with you how to play the YouTube game and grow your channel successfully. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your existing channel, these tips will help you thrive on YouTube. So let's dive in. Intro music fades out. Alright guys, first things first, you gotta get in the game. And to play the YouTube game, you need a Google account. It's like the key to the entire YouTube kingdom. So if you don't already have one, head over to google.com and sign up. It's super easy and totally free. Don't worry, I'll wait, I've got all day. Okay, you've got your Google account. Now it's time to build your YouTube empire. Head over to YouTube, click on your profile picture, and look for the Create a Channel button. It's like opening the doors to your very own content studio. You'll need to set up a brand account, which is just a fancy way of saying an account specifically for your awesome channel. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. YouTube will walk you through it. This is it, guys. Time to choose a name that's going to be plastered all over the internet. Your channel name is like your YouTube identity, so make it count. Choose something catchy, memorable, and relevant to the amazing content you're going to create. Think about what your channel is all about and what your viewers will remember. Keep it short, sweet, and easy to spell. Oh, and make sure it's available. You don't want to get stuck with a name that someone else already snagged. Alright, time to get visual. Let's dive into the world of channel art, where creativity meets strategy. Your channel art is the first impression, the cover of your book, you get the idea. It's gotta be eye-catching. Think of it as your digital handshake, the first thing people see when they visit your channel. Design a banner that screams, "Click me." This banner should not only be visually appealing but also convey the essence of your content. It should tell a story at a glance. And a profile picture that's clear, high quality, and represents your brand. This tiny image is your identity across the platform, so make sure it's professional and recognizable. You can use free tools like Canva, which offers a plethora of templates and easy-to-use features. It's perfect for beginners and those who want quick results without compromising on quality, or unleash your inner artist with Photoshop. This powerful tool allows for more customization and creativity, giving you the freedom to create something truly unique. And hey, if you're not feeling artistic, don't worry. There are tons of talented freelancers out there who can help you create something truly epic. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find skilled designers. Collaborating with a professional can bring a fresh perspective to your vision. They can take your ideas and transform them into a stunning visual representation of your brand. Remember, this is your chance to stand out from the crowd. Your channel art should be a reflection of your unique style and personality. It's what sets you apart in a sea of content creators. Show the world what you're all about. Whether you're a tech guru, a beauty expert, or a travel vlogger, your channel art should instantly communicate your niche and attract your target audience. So take your time, be creative, and make sure your channel art is something you're proud of. After all, it's the visual gateway to your content. Okay, you've got their attention with your awesome channel art. Now it's time to reel them in with a killer channel description. This is where you set the stage for what your channel is all about. Think of it as the first handshake with your audience. You want to make it firm, confident, and memorable. Your channel description is the gateway to your content, and it needs to be as inviting as possible. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about and what kind of epic content they can expect. Are you a tech guru sharing the latest gadget reviews? A travel enthusiast taking viewers on adventures around the world? Or maybe a fitness expert offering workout tips and healthy recipes? Whatever your niche, make sure it's clear and compelling. Highlight the unique aspects of your content that set you apart from the rest. Keep it concise, engaging, and make sure it accurately reflects your brand and the value you're providing. Use keywords that resonate with your target audience and help your channel get discovered. Think about what your viewers are searching for and how you can meet their needs. A well-crafted description not only informs but also entices viewers to explore more of your content. Think of it as your YouTube elevator pitch. You have a limited amount of time to make a lasting impression, so make every word count. Be authentic and let your personality shine through. Share your passion and enthusiasm for your content. Remember, you're not just selling your channel, you're inviting viewers to join a community and be part of your journey. You've got a few seconds to make a great first impression and convince viewers to hit that subscribe button. A strong channel description can be the difference between a casual visitor and a loyal subscriber. so take the time to craft a description that truly represents who you are and what your channel stands for. With the right words, you can turn curiosity into commitment and build a thriving community of engaged viewers. Alright, now it's time to get down to business and plan your content strategy. What's your niche? What are you passionate about? What kind of videos do you want to create? Once you know your niche, it's time to do some research. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to see what's popular in your niche and what people are searching for. Create a content calendar and plan out your videos in advance. This will help you stay organized and consistent with your uploads. Now it's time to put pen to paper, or fingers to keyboard, and script out your videos. Scripting is a crucial step in the video creation process that can make a significant difference in the quality and effectiveness of your content. It helps you organize your thoughts, structure your message, and ensure that you cover all the important points you want to convey. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a vlog, or a promotional video, having a well-thought-out script can save you time and reduce the stress of filming. Even if you're a natural in front of the camera, a script will help you stay on track, deliver your message effectively, and keep your videos engaging. It acts as a roadmap, guiding you through your content and helping you avoid unnecessary tangents or filler words. This is especially important if you're covering complex topics or have a lot of information to share. A script ensures that you present your ideas in a logical and coherent manner, making it easier for your audience to follow along and understand your message. Start with a hook that grabs attention right off the bat. The first few seconds of your video are crucial in capturing your audience's interest and encouraging them to keep watching. This could be an intriguing question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement that piques curiosity. Your hook should be relevant to your content and set the tone for the rest of the video. Then, deliver your main content in a clear, concise, and entertaining way. Break down your information into manageable chunks and use visuals, examples, and anecdotes to illustrate your points. This not only makes your content more engaging, but also helps reinforce your message and make it more memorable. Remember to speak clearly and at a steady pace, and use natural gestures to emphasize key points. Finally, end with a strong call to action. Your call to action should be specific and actionable, telling viewers exactly what you want them to do next. This could be subscribing to your channel, liking and sharing your video, leaving a comment, or visiting your website for more information. A clear and compelling call to action can significantly increase viewer engagement and help you achieve your goals. Tell viewers what you want them to do next, whether it's subscribing, liking, commenting, or checking out another video. Engaging with your audience and encouraging interaction can help build a loyal community around your content. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create opportunities for viewers to connect with you and each other. This not only enhances the viewer experience, but also helps you grow your channel and reach a wider audience. So take the time to script your videos thoughtfully and watch as your content becomes more polished, professional, and impactful. Lights, camera, action! It's time to film your masterpiece. But before you hit record, make sure you've got good lighting and clear audio. Natural light is your best friend, but you can also invest in some affordable lighting equipment. For audio, a decent microphone can make a world of difference. Once you've filmed your video, it's time to edit. Free software like iMovie or professional tools like Adobe Premiere Pro can help you cut out any mistakes, add music and transitions, and create a polished final product. Now it's time to play the YouTube algorithm game. Optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what people might be searching for on YouTube to find your video. Create custom thumbnails that are eye-catching and accurately represent your video's content. A compelling thumbnail can make all the difference in getting people to click on your video. Your video is live, now it's time to get it seen. Share your videos on all your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Engage with communities related to your niche and let them know about your awesome content. Collaborate with other YouTubers and cross-promote each other's channels. And most importantly, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your audience feel heard. Building a community around your channel is key to long-term success on YouTube. And that's it. Those are the basics of how to play the YouTube game. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Keep creating, stay consistent, and engage with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.